Welcome to the Scout 215 Dorado, one of the most versatile and multi-purpose boats that you can find out on the market today. This is a 21-foot dual console, and what that means is that you're getting some of the fishability, but also the family-friendly aspects that some people in the family might be looking for. Let's start in the back of the boat. It's powered with a YAMAHA 150 horsepower, 4-stroke engine. We also have SeaDeck on the swim platforms. That way, if you are going out to go swimming, you have traction and it decreases the risk of slipping and falling and people getting hurt. Along the transom, we have 4 rod holders. We have our water inlet to our water tank. And then as we move to the port side quarter there, we have a live well. As we make our way into the cockpit of the Scout 215 Dorado, we have this really nice transom bench seat that folds in and folds out. One thing I really like to point out to people is the actual hardware that this transom bench seat uses. It's not just stainless steel hollow rods. They are full stainless steel 3/16 pieces here, made for long lasting and reliability. When you fold away the transom bench seat, you can see that it also protects the upholstery. A lot of boats will actually flip the opposite way down and have the upholstery facing outwards. This is a really big risk when it comes to tearing, scuffing, and just deterioration of the actual upholstery on the bench itself. Scout is also really well known for their fit and finish. So when you look into the technical compartment, not only is the technical compartment very accessible, but when you do open it, you find finished fiberglass gel coat. Another thing about the Scout 215 Dorado is that it's also a self-bailing boat, like many are in this size category. But what you do find is that the gutter system is very deep. As the water moves back into the cockpit, it has a nice large well on the back with 2 scuppers on port and starboard, and they are used with stainless steel flanges rather than plastics that will crack and deteriorate over time. Another thing about the 215 Dorado is that you have nice combing bolsters on both sides as well, so that way if you are fishing, you have padding around your knees. The 215 Dorado has dedicated rod storage underneath both port and starboard gunnels as well. As we move forward to the consoles, we have a beautiful acrylic dash here on this 215. And another thing I really like to point out is that these captain's chairs are robust. They're tall and they are wide, which gives you a very comfortable ride. Scout also did a really good job with positioning their USB outlets for charging your devices while you're on the go. So even your co-pilot will have access to their very own USB port. That way your phones stay charged. In this port side console, you can outfit it with a head or a porta potty. In this case, it is outfitted with the table, the covers, and just overall storage. In the starboard side console, you'll see your tabletop, your teak tabletop, your battery switches, some fuses, your anchor light, and just overall more storage space. This is where a lot of people's favorite place is to hang out and sit on the boat. Up in the bow, this is your family aspect. Somebody who wants to be able to not only fish, but use it as a day boat. These 2 forward-facing chase loungers are full leg length, very comfortable. They have the upholstery and padding going all the way up the sidewall to the gunnel. They also have flip-down armrests on both sides as well, making this not only a safe spot, but a comfortable spot. As you make your way all the way up forward, you have a nice cleat all the way up on the front. You still have plenty of space, deck room, on the bow as well, which is nice to have. And you have a robust anchor locker door where you will house your anchor. If you have any questions about the Scout 215 Dorado, please don't hesitate to give us a call or come on down to check out the boat with us. We look forward to helping you out and seeing you out on the water.